Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can use Cursor AI Unlimited for free. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. Head over to this website and download the latest version. If you already have it, there is no need to download and install. Also, I'm using a Windows computer. If you are using a Mac, then I'll leave a link to detailed instructions to do this on a Mac as well. Let's quickly install it. After it's installed, we need this file to reset the machine ID, and again I'll leave a link to this as well. Open PowerShell as administrator. Navigate to this file directory using the cd command. Paste this command and hit enter. After it's done, let's create a new account. You can use temp mail to get a temporary email to create an account. Let's verify our email. You can also claim your Pro free trial. Let's open the Cursor IDE. Log in with our account. As you can see here, it is working perfectly with the Pro trial for free, and after the trial period, we can repeat the same process to use it again. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And now I'll catch you in the next one.